Pooja Soni, can you give your introduction, please? Okay, moving to Pooja is already in our morning batch. Okay, so Alka, can you give your
Yes.
introduction? Yeah, Pooja. Yeah, go ahead. Give your introduction. Okay,
Yes. I have 3 years of experience as a QA. Like right now, I'm working as a manual tester, and playwright in so much demand. So, looking forward to learn it.
Alka, can you get? Alka, are you there? Okay, move on to Tanmay. Tanmay, can you give a small introduction?
Yeah. Hey, Abhinav. Good evening.
Yeah, hi.
So, myself, Tanmay, and I have experience of 3 years as a manual tester. So now I am like starting to shift into the automation part. So now I want to learn the playwright part so that I can switch to automation testing.
Okay, thank you, Tanmay.
Yeah.
Anjali, can you give your introduction?
Yeah. Hi everyone, I am Anjali Sharma. I have overall 8.5 years of experience into QA. I am currently leading a team of functional testing. So now I want to learn automation as well. So looking forward to the course.
Thank you, Anjali. Andrew,
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Hi, Abhinav. So myself, Andrew, I have around 10 plus years of experience. In that, I have 7 years of automation. As I see that there is a lot of opportunity and scope in Playwright and Cypress, so I wanted to learn in this. Thank you.
thank you. Nagnath,
Hi Abhinav, hi team. My
hi.
name is Nanak. I'm from Bangalore and I have total 4+ years of experience in manual testing. And in my current project, in upcoming project, they are using the Playwright. So that is the reason I wanted to learn this tool. Yeah, but currently I'm working as a manual QA engineer. Yeah.
Okay, Rashmi.
Thank you.
Yeah, Rashmi, are you there?
Yes, I am Rashmi Rathore. I have overall of 6 years experience in a manual testing, but now I am a maternity gap, so I am switching off in automation. So that's why reason of in joining of Playwright.
Yeah, Shagun.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. So I am having around 7.5 years of experience in QA. So as we can see, like playwright is in demand. So I'm looking forward to learn about it.
Yeah, Vishwanath. Okay, Vishwanath has written his experience total. Okay, Jash, you have just joined. Can you hear us? We were just giving our introduction. Can you give your introduction, please?
Yeah, hi everyone, good evening. So my name is Jay Sharma and basically I'm having experience of 5 years in QA manual testing and currently I'm working with the IT Sparks Technology Private Limited at Indore. So currently I'm working from home permanently and looking forward to learn new things with Abhinav sir. Nice to meet you everyone.
Thank you, Jash. Alga, are you there or in meeting?
Hello,
Yeah, hi.
hello, everyone.
Hi.
Okay, my name is Alka, and uh, actually, I am currently working at I4 as a senior QA. And since Playwright is the high demand in the industry, so I am currently learning it to strengthen my automation testing skills and stays up to date with modern testing tools. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, everyone. So, guys, so let's start with simply what we are looking for and what we will be covering. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, let me know if you guys see my screen.
Yeah, we are able to
Yes.
see.
Yeah.
Abhinav, I have one small quick question. Can I ask now or else in the end?
Yeah, what is your question?
Like the main question is, I'm not having the coding knowledge. So,
Yes.
I mean, is it difficult or is it easy to learn this playwright? Like, or else we need to learn first Java and all.
No, see, you have to start with any of the programming language. You have to start with. Okay. So now
Mhm.
it is totally new for it. See, first of all
Correct.
thing, what we will be doing with the core part of it. That core we will be covering our TypeScript over here. Fine. Here we will be going through all the basics, every basics of our TypeScript. Now the second thing is that every class will be recorded. Okay. So after this session, you can see the recorded classes. If you get any issues, you can ask us again. Okay. I mod in the afternoon, I will give a particular 1 hour, 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 for this batch. If there anyone has the question, can ask me the question, or we can have a discussion at that time. Fine. So a dedicated hour, a part of it will be there every day, 3 to 4. Okay. Anyone has any questions, can ping me out and we can discuss on it. Second thing, we will be covering every core part of it. See, everyone has to start from somewhere. People start from Selenium if they are more experienced, they know core Java. So it might be somewhat easy for them to go with this. But if they started the core Java also first time, it might not be easy for them to start there also. Okay, so everything will be on the game same phase. Okay, we'll be starting from the basics. If you not able to understand, first of all, watch the video. Okay, first of all, see the video, what we have covered in the last class. After that, still you are not able to understand, we can have a question and answering time at 3 to 4. Okay, you got it? Whose question was this?
Yeah, my Nagnath.
Nagnath. Okay, fine, Nagnath.
Thank you, Abhinav.
Anyone, any questions? Okay, so basically, what I have told you from as the beginning, starting of the class, we'll be covering with the basic introduction. See, basic introduction could be what is the differences between Playwright and other tools. Okay, how Playwright is becoming so strong nowadays. Okay, so all this will be the basic things we'll be covering. What is the automation testing? For someone has already done the Selenium or other tools, might be knowing the differences, but we'll be covering this part in the introduction part of. After that, we will be going with the see, first thing people ask me JavaScript or TypeScript. Everywhere in the openings, you will find JavaScript plus slash TypeScript. Okay. Second thing, TypeScript is written over the JavaScript. TypeScript is written over the JavaScript. As soon as you compile your TypeScript program, you will get a JavaScript program. 90% syntaxes are same. Even if you go for interview, they don't ask if you know TypeScript. You don't know JavaScript, they will ask you to write the program in Java TypeScript. If you know JavaScript, you don't know TypeScript, they will ask you to write in JavaScript. Okay, there is no any restriction on it. TypeScript is totally written over JavaScript. As soon as you compile any of your TypeScript command, you will get a JS file. That is a JavaScript file. So, as Nagnath asked, we'll be covering first of all the TypeScript. See what happened. Actually, in industry, this word script has created some confusion. People think scripting language is more difficult. Okay, though it is not difficult. Fine, it is very easy. Scripting languages are very easy. Okay, and easy to understand also. Okay, and they have a better communication. Okay, with other supporting tools also. Fine. So we will be covering starting with our TypeScript. In this TypeScript, we'll be covering all the complete basics, variable types, data types, operators, conditions, loops, functions, arrays, modules, okay, async programming, classes, objects. See, these all the things we'll be covering same as those things are in Java. If you learn TypeScript, it will be very easy to go for with Java again. If you run Java, it will be easy for go to TypeScript. Both have the same level. Okay, nothing is tough here, just the practice. After that, we will be starting with our automation part. Okay, we'll be doing all the installation of playwright and all these things. Okay, Visual Code Studio, what is, how we plug in it, everything I will be telling you. We'll be installing Node.js. Okay, setting up the playwright with drivers. I will be teaching you the architecture. My interview question always comes most of the time. They ask, what is the playwright architecture? Okay, if anyone you have given an interview on Selenium, there used to be a question, what is the architecture of Selenium? Same way, nowadays they ask the question of interview, playwright architecture. See, in this course, our focus is first is interview clearing. We'll be covering all the programs. We'll be covering all the theory, which will be asked in interview. Second important thing, if anyone working in any of the project can easily go and fit in the project roles. Okay, she can start, he or she can easily go and start working on the project also. Next will be browser navigations. We'll be looking elements like clicking on checkbox, clicking on any button, drag and drop. Okay, working with multiple tabs, working with frames. Okay, working with multiple links. So all this HTML structure, its locators like name, XPath, we'll be looking into it. Fine. Elements, table, checkbox. So these will be basic of our all our what we call as playwright. Fine. Ajax handling, Windows table handling. Okay. Then we will be working with our framework. We will be creating our own framework. Okay. And that will be a page object model framework we will be creating. Okay. We will be using one of the live site. Okay, we will see which is at that time supporting. Currently, we were using Amazon, but it has blocked the automation nowadays. Okay, we'll look into it. We have multiple sites. We'll be automating them end-to-end project automation with the help of page object model. Okay, we'll be doing. After that, we'll be putting our code onto GitHub. Okay, we'll be putting our complete code, checking in our code into GitHub, and I will put my code. You guys also will put the on your GitHub, and we can check out our code. So we will run the complete process. We will also see the advanced features. We will see how we can automate APIs with the help of Playwright. Okay, we will be automating all the requests. More mainly, we'll be automating will going with the get, push, post, and delete request. We'll be running JSON server at our own machines. Okay, so that we can do the processing of these requests. After that, we are going to integrate. See, till now, we haven't used any AI things. Once you have the full knowledge of Playwright and TypeScript, we will be integrating AI with it. Okay, we will be using LLMs. Okay, where we will be giving our prompts. Okay, we will generate our prompt with the help of AI only. We will give to the LLM. Okay, and LLM will help the agents. That agentic AI, you have people are saying me the word agentic AI, so they will use the agents. Okay, and with the help of NCP, we will generate our own codes. At that time, you will not have to do any programming. It will generate its own code with the help of agents, and with the help of MCP, they will run your code on different browsers. Okay. So what all we have done till 21 will easily be consumed in 22. Okay. But in interview, remember, you cannot use AI. Okay. You have to show your programming skills. Clear, guys? We cannot use AI in our interviews that I know AI. You can write in your resume that I know AI, I know agentic AI, I know LLM how to be used, I know MCP how to be integrated in it. That is good. They will ask a question, but at interview they will not ask you to create a program with the help of. The program will be created by you by your mind and syntactical knowledge only. Okay, to clear the interview, you should know these things. Fine. AI will be helpful for you when you will be either one program they can ask. Okay, they can ask. Okay, to do with MCP, just show a showcase that they can ask, but they will not give weightage to it. Okay, that AI MCP will be useful to you when you will be working originally in your company for the fast work. Okay, guys, any questions? Anyone? Anyone, guys, please ask.
No, Abhinav.
Mhm. Okay. So, see, this is the basic class. We'll be having everything in our basics. So, I am launching word. So, could we ask? You might think that is somewhat theoretical today, but yes, it is important. One question will be there from the structure also. So, what is basically a playwright? If we ask, what is basically playwright is? Meenakshi, you are late. We had just done the introduction and I've given the overview of the syllabus. You can check the recording. I will share in that. Okay. So
Yeah, sure.
basically, okay, what is Playwright? Playwright is an open source. The most important benefit of any automation tool is open source. Why Selenium ruled for 15 to 18 years? Why? Reason was open source. Okay, it was also on open source. But the most benefit of the Playwright is it is developed by Microsoft. It is developed by Microsoft. Okay. So this is the major benefit. And you see, we know Microsoft is still the number one company in terms of profits. Might be others are coming, but there's a trust that a product is open sourced by Microsoft will always work. I am typing on the Microsoft only word only. Okay. So that is the major advantage of Playwright to be currently becoming the world famous tool. So you can write your scripts here and you can run on browsers. You can write your scripts and run on the browsers. So what are the key advantages of Playwright? So what are the key advantages? See, anyone here having experience till 5 years or 4 years, these are the questions always asked. What are the because see, currently in market, people also don't know so many questions on Playwright. Okay, so they keep asking on basic questions also. If suppose there is a urgency of any opening, and QA is not aware of so much about Playwright. Okay, they need a Playwright resource. So they will ask the basic things. Okay, if there is some other person apart from QA is taking the interview, he will ask the basic things. So these are very important. So what are the key advantages of Playwright? So first is multi-browser and cross-platform. So what is the meaning of multi-browser and cross-platform? See, what is the advantage that it support all the major browsers? Like it support Chromium, in which it support Google Chrome also, Microsoft Edge also. It supports WebKit, that is Apple Safari also, and Firefox also. Second, cross-platform. What is the meaning of cross-platform? We can run our test on Windows also. We can run on Linux also. We can run on Mac OS also. Okay, and it provide with continuous integration support. Okay, so that is a crossfire. Next is it help as a native mobile emulation. Okay, what is native mobile emulations? So it can easily simulate mobile devices. Okay, so we can have our mobile devices screen. Okay, it can simulate that screens also. Okay, with the help of its user agents. So simulation is very easy with the help of Playwright. Third most important is auto weighting. So most of you have done with this Selenium. So there was no such concept of auto weighting there. Okay, we have to implicitly or explicitly put the weights. Okay, so but here Playwright completely give a say 30 seconds to load a page, 10 seconds to load an element. Okay, this is also interview question. How many seconds it give to a page and how many seconds it give to an element. Okay, we here no need to hard code implicit weight or explicit weight. Okay, we'll be hard coding it. That is not the issue. Okay, if we find that page is taking more than 30 seconds. Okay, guys, if I want to stop somewhere, I want to show somewhere because it is very, very fast. Then I will putting hard code also. Okay, I have to show some action, see draggable is happening or not. This thing is happening or at that case, I will be hard coding also. Okay, suppose I just give you show you something. Just wait and watch. See here I use hard coding. It will be so fast you won't be able to. That's why I used because what was my thing? See, this was my program. Just wait, it is launching it. It is maximizing. See, if I don't put weight, see, it dragged it. Okay, it was my task to drag it. Okay, it was my task to drag it. Okay, if I don't put these type of weights, it will not work. Okay, suppose I have one more, say scrolling. I have to do scrolling something. Okay, I want to take an image. So I'm showing you why we need to put sometime weight also. But Playwright has its own automatic weight. It will run automatically. But to see that things are working fine or not, we need to put weight. So suppose this is one of the program for say scrolling. I was working on, I was teaching scrolling, suppose. So I need to show this. Because it will work so fast, you won't be able to understand. Now I want to go down. So see, it went down. I want to go up. I want to go up. I want to go at end. I want to go till here. Okay, then I have to close it. Okay. And after that, I have to take a screenshot also. I have to take a screenshot also. And that screenshot is coming here. See, this is one of the screenshot. This is one of the screenshot. Okay. So I will be using weights, but to show you guys that things are working slowly. But if websites are working fine, elements are good, auto weighting is already there in Playwright. Auto weighting is already there in Playwright. Okay, you don't have to implicitly or explicitly give up it. Okay, fine. Check fourth advantage. Parallel execution and speed, incredible speed. You can say incredible. If I remove all that things, see if I remove all these things, if I go to this program again, now see it is speed. See if I remove these weights. Just a second. Any other automate can you see? No. I delete this also. Now if I run it, see its speed. See it opened. Just I think one auto weight was there. Go down, go up. go down closed. It was more faster, which you put it there. Okay, so speed will be great. Fine. As soon as it finds the element, it will go. It won't wait more than 30 seconds. Fine. And parallel execution. We can run multiple tests at the same time. It provides a great support to parallel execution. Next, it has a powerful tooling ecosystem. Remember, it has a powerful tooling ecosystem. That is, we have a trace viewer. One thing is we have a trace viewer in it. What this trace viewer do? It gives you a full video recording of anything which failed. Anything which failed, it will give you a full video recording. Okay. It you have to just put some values there and it will show you the full video recording. And okay. So see, there are multiple config files are there. I will show you. So here you have to just enable your video recording. See, you just have to enable your video recordings, video retain on failure. So as soon as any of your test case fails, it will record the video. It will take the screenshot also. It will provide with the trace also. Okay. So these things were not possible with Selenium till we take some jar files. Okay. So these are the inbuilt supports which provided by Playwright. See, I'm showing you everything practical. We will be doing everything practical only. And next is support multiple languages. So what are all the languages support? JavaScript, TypeScript, it supports Java, it supports Python, it supports C#. Okay, so these are the major languages it supports. Okay, and now see here come one more twist. Why people are going with TypeScript most or JavaScript? See, because TypeScript is part of Microsoft only. Okay, so it is a part of Microsoft only, TypeScript. That's why they are having the particular a good combination. It provides this modern web capabilities also. Okay. So these are the major advantages of Playwright. Now, how many of you know difference? So there are, see, suppose many of you will be putting, or somewhat will be putting, you are knowing Selenium also. So there comes a question. What is the difference between Playwright and Selenium? Okay. So we are going to have the difference. Oh, I was see, one of the most important is time, speed. Okay. Speed is one of the important concept. Here we can say Playwright is faster as compared to your Selenium. Second, Playwright provide with trace viewer. You can see the tracing. Okay. You have a recording, video recording. Okay. So these are the advantages which is provided by it as compared to Selenium. Third, here there is an architecture difference also. Okay. Here in Selenium, you have to set up a HTTP concept, HTTP protocol. So what happened in this HTTP? There was a term known as WebDriver. You all might be knowing. If you don't know, no worries. So we have a WebDriver concept. So what happened? It's WebDriver sends the command to the specific browser. Okay, it's sent, and it was a multi-layer communication. It was a multi-layer communication. But if we talk about Playwright, okay, it has a web socket. It has a web socket. It has a web socket connection. Okay, it is a web socket connection. Remember, this is a very important term. If you tell in interview, interviewer will get surprised also. You will get impressed. Okay, so this is a web socket connection. Fine. So here, basically, there is a multi-layer communication. Here, there is a bridge is open. There is a bridge open between Playwright and a browser. So there is only bi-directional communication. So it has a bi-directional communication. Spelling, I have to check it out. Okay, so just to give the input, it gives the output. Okay, you don't have to establish connection again and again. So this is one of the major advantages. Auto waiting, we have checked it. Okay, speed due to auto waiting facilities there. Okay, and the main thing is, see, Selenium has a legacy currently also. Okay, it was released in 2024, 2004. Playwright was released in 2000. Okay, but the main thing is Playwright developer is Microsoft, and Selenium is an open source community. Third, architecture, if we talk about, Selenium has a WebDriver architecture that is HTTP, but Playwright has a WebSocket. Okay, architecture. Speed wise, if you talk about, Selenium is moderate to slow. Okay, but if we talk about Playwright, it's extremely fast. Okay, parallel execution, Selenium needs external tools like Grid, third party tools, Grid and all these things. But Playwright support out of the box. Okay, it helps natively. It helps natively. Okay, so these are the major advantages if you go with it. And yeah, we talked about mobile also. So we can use emulations in our Playwright. But for mobile simulation, with the help of Selenium, we need APM integration. Okay, fine. Okay. So these are the major advantages. This will be always be asked if any person is mentioning Selenium and Playwright. Now let's see somewhat the architecture of Playwright. So see, first thing is we have in the architecture is a client. First we have client. What client do? It do language binding. This is very important. If you are working on anything, you should know its architecture. First is client. So what is language binding? So in language binding, if we are writing any script, okay, we are writing any playwright script with the help of either JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, C Sharp. Okay, so Playwright provides with language specific libraries. So we have a language that helps in language binding. Okay. So see, always remember the code you write in any of the language, it does not interact directly with the browser. Remember this. Okay. It interacts with Playwright client APIs. Okay. It convert it. Okay. So that interaction could be there. Okay. So first thing is client. Second is Playwright server. Second is Playwright server. So what the server do? To start the Playwright server, remember, to start the Playwright server on our local machine, we need a software known as Node. We need a Node.js server. Okay. So Playwright always work over. Remember, Playwright always work over Node.js server in the background. And this Node.js server act as a central controller. This Node.js server act as a central controller. These are the only words. Just remember it. We are not going to, they will won't be so typical for manual testers. Just remember it. Because what is the use of Node.js server? They will ask mainly. So Playwright starts on Node.js server. Nothing else. They don't want you to write anything on Node.js. Okay. Fine. So Playwright server always starts a local Node.js server in the background, and that server act as a central control. So now what this Playwright server will do, it will communicate with your browsers. So you will write the program in the client and Playwright server will communicate. So it will communicate with your browser. There is only one day theory, don't remember. Fine. And next is there is the last is driver. So this is the architecture on which our script is going to run. On which our script is going to run. Okay. So this is the basic architecture. So they are bi-directional communication, zero network overheads, no use of it. Okay. Everything they will ask from here only. These are the things they will ask in terms of theory. If you are having experience of 5 years, they will ask these things. 4 to 5 years, 3 years, they will ask this theory. Okay. One question will be there. If the person who's taking the interview is also new, he will ask these questions. Okay. So these are the questions basically is starting theory of Playwright. Anyone has any questions, please come ahead. Please guys, ask the questions.
The Playwright is only for UI automation.
Yes.
Okay. But the mobile also we consider under the UI only then, right? Okay.
Anjali, please ask again.
Yeah, mobile part we said, right?
Yes,
Emulators we can use.
mobile we can do. Emulators we can
That
use
is
here.
on.
Yeah,
Okay.
emulators we can use. We can use the websites also. Desktop we cannot do.
Okay, desktop for Selenium also, I think that is
Yeah,
a
yeah,
limitation.
because nowadays applications are not coming on a desktop.
Sure, yes.
Anyone?
Yeah, I have a question.
Hmm.
Okay. So you mentioned that Playwright is for the UI part only, UI testing, right? So what about like the functional testing? Like suppose we have any list page and there we have a filter option and download report option. So and we have to verify the data in the report. So we can do that with Playwright or not?
First, let's go with your question. Break your questions. What is the first question in it?
Yeah. So no, my question is single question. So you mentioned that Playwright is for only UI testing.
Yes.
Okay.
UI or
So
mobile testing. Web testing.
UI
See, UI here we are talking about web. Okay.
web testing.
And mobile testings. You will
Okay.
generate the reports also. Yes.
Mhm. Okay, so can we do the data validation part as well or not? Suppose
Yeah,
we are on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so suppose we are on any list page, okay, and we applied a filter, and after applying filter, the records count down to suppose 10 records. So then we download the report, and can we verify that that report is having the correct that 10 number of records or not
See,
using Playwright? We can check that or validate that also.
so our reports will come in one of the UI format only, web format only. Correct. So
Yeah.
if it is coming on the desktop, then we cannot verify it. If we are exporting it in any of the web portal, then we can have a program. We can write a program, okay, which takes the tables and rows, okay, and accordingly you can verify the results. You
Okay. So
can
suppose
verify with
if
the
it is a CSV reports or XLMS reports,
CSV.
so
You
we
have to
can't.
convert. You have to know desktop application.
Mhm.
We cannot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
CSV you can convert. See, you can convert into the web. Fine. And after web, you can create a program of rows and columns. Okay. In each and each row, TR and TD are the basis of rows and columns we have. So you can traverse on the rows and columns and you can verify. You can even verify with the help of database also. Okay. But you cannot go with
Okay.
CSVs. That is the desktop. We cannot automate our calculator. We cannot automate these Word applications, Excel.
Yeah.
You can generate a CSV.
Mhm.
You can generate a CSV with the help of Playwright. Okay.
Okay.
Next question.
Yeah. Only this. Yeah.
Anyone? Anyone before we start practical?
So for now, like, we can only do UI, but not API, right? No.
APIs we can do.
Okay.
Yes. See, Andrew, you joined late or what?
No, I joined.
Yeah. So see, I told you here also we will be doing get, post, delete.
Yes.
Okay. So if you see, just I am showing you the things. Wait. If I open. Okay. So if you can see, get roles, get request. See, get request are there. Base URL, you are getting all the data. Okay.
Yeah.
Post request will be there somewhere. So we will be using post request. Can you see? Yeah, post
Yes, I
request
can.
is there. Okay. You can see delete request is there. Okay. So we will be
Yes.
using and we will be doing API automation also in it. Another question, please. Yeah, guys, go on. Rashmi, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Related to any AI things? Tanmay, any question more? Okay.
No.
Uh, okay. Alka, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So yeah, here we are. So now the thing is, now we have to do the installation. So how many of you have joined with the help of laptop and how many of you have joined on the mobiles? See, the thing is that we will be doing everything practical. So see, in the previous class, today's batch also these things are these are only playwright questions we have done for this playwright weekend batch. If you open for this, say playwright 8 a.m. playwright, this is the 8 a.m. morning batch is good. So these are the only TS1 TypeScript questions we have done. Now these are the playwright only. So we have to do first of all TypeScript. We'll be working on TypeScript first of all. Okay, and after that we will be working on our playwright. So we have two things. So we'll be working on these things. So first is how many of you have joined with mobile and how many of you have joined with laptop? So I'm thinking that everyone has joined with laptop only. Okay, guys.
Yes.
No, Abhinav.
Okay, no issues. I am doing the
No, Abhinav.
recording also of this session. Okay, I am doing the recording also of this session. So after this session, you just do this installation. You will face the issues. I know you will face the issues because there are many things which blocks the initial class. So you can ping me personally. I will resolve your resolve of installation. Okay, no issues. You can see the recording. Okay, I will give the commands also. First thing is, first you have to download Node.js. Guys, download Node.js. Go to Google out. Okay, just go ahead, download Node.js. Okay, you can see everyone. I am giving you 2 3 minutes. So open this site. Okay, open this site. Nodejs.org is the website. So there is a version. Remember, LTS version. So what is the meaning of this LTS version? So this LTS version means long-term support version. And this is recommended for all the users. All our users are supposed to download this LTS version. So we have the LTS version and download this. Click and download. And while installation, remember, while installation, it will ask you for npm installation. It will ask for npm. You have to install everything. Please, anyone, please share your screen. I will show. Anyone share your screen, please. Anyone share your screen, please. Yeah, anyone, please. Now I'm stopping my sharing. Please stop share. Anyone? Tanmay, Alka, Anjali, anyone want to share your screen? Rashmi, Jayesh? Yeah, good.
Yeah, I have
Jayesh.
shared.
Yeah, good. Go to nodejs.org, Google out. Enter. Yes. Download this Windows installer. Is installing. Open it. Wait. Go slowly and happily. Wait. It has installed 2 versions now.
No, I have already downloaded it earlier.
Okay.
That's why it's
Oh, go to this second one.
okay.
Hmm.
Please wait 1 second. Okay.
Okay, next. Wait, accept. Yes, next. 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 Wait. Automatically installed. Check this out. Guys, check this out. Next. Install. Mhm. It will take 2 3 minutes. Guys, all should install it. If you want to really learn, please install it. If you install now, also we can resolve the problems also. Okay, finished. Open command prompt. Open command prompt. Command prompt. Command prompt.
इसको बंद कर दो.
Yeah, leave it. Leave it.
Okay.
Open new command prompt.
CMD.
Okay, just give the command node node space space minus v.
V. V
V
for
V
version.
for version. V for version. Enter. So it is node is installed. Now give npm. I want to check npm is installed on it. Go give npm minus v. Single dash, only single dash v. Enter. So npm is also installed. Okay. First thing is done from your side. Now you need to install Visual. Do you have Visual Studio Code?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, no issues. Go to Google. Guys, do now only, that will be very beneficial. Else do
Abhinav,
see
and
the recording.
also,
Hmm?
we can do it for Mac as well, right?
Yeah, anywhere. Take the Mac version. npm. Okay. Check for Visual Studio. Download Visual Studio Code. Hmm. Select it. Go to Visual Studio Code.
The first one?
First one. Yes. Download for Windows.
Click on Windows.
Hmm. Go down where it is. It is downloading. Yes, let it download. See, it is very easy. These things are very easy. We will be, after that, we will be integrating Copilot also, but I will not integrate now because we have to learn the programming things. Anyone having meeting at 9 o'clock can leave. They can see the recording. Okay, Visual Studio Code, install it. I expect.
Next.
Next.
Install.
Install, yes. Mm-hmm. Hold on. Wait. Give 2 minutes. After that, launch it. Okay. First time it is taking time. Okay. Maximize it. Now see at the above you can see a terminal. Go to that terminal. Command menu. You can see terminal on the top menu. File, edit, selection, second last terminal, new terminal. Click on new terminal. See, I have given a command to install TypeScript on the chat. On the chat, I have given. You open this, no issues. Go to the chat. See the chat. Chat is the first one. Chat. Okay, take this command npm install. Do slowly. Okay, paste it. Press enter. So wait, it is installing TypeScript. So now you guys see something removing going on. 20 packages in 5 seconds. Okay, so it is installed. Fine. Now go to that close this welcome screen. Go to that double files which are created double files. Go to that double files just below. Yes, click here. Okay. Now guys, one thing, but just first create a folder. Do one thing, create a folder on a drive which is not authentic, means which do not need any authorizations. Okay, create a folder there. Create a folder. C drive or anywhere which don't need authorizations, remember. Fast.
What would be the name of that
Any
particular
name.
folder?
My first evening batch, anything. Evening batch, 8 o'clock, anything. Get the name of the folder. Where are you creating? I cannot see anything.
Yeah, it's on another screen. Let me share. Yeah, I have created one.
Okay, now open this folder. Go to your TypeScript. Go to your TypeScript. Sorry, Visual Studio. Sorry. Go to your Visual Studio. Open this folder. File. Open folder. Yes, open folder. Go to D drive. Select that folder. Just select. Yes. Now give that command which I gave you. It is showing. Why it is showing? It's okay. Yes, trust the author. Yes. Now go to terminal and give that command. That TypeScript command which I gave you.
This one?
Yes, this command. Copy this and go over here. Go to terminal. New terminal. Give that command. Paste it. Enter. Okay. Can you see is now do one thing. After doing this, you need to give another command. Okay.
Okay.
Just give tsc
ESC
space dash init init. Enter. Okay. So this has created one of your JSON file. Okay. This has created a JSON file. Now there are sometime requirement we need to install. Okay, latest versions also sometime might be required that latest version you have to install, you have to do some like things like that, but it is not necessary currently. Not necessary currently. So we have seen it has created a TS JSON. TS JSON, just open this file. Open this file. Sorry guys, it is taking longer. Open this file. So it is showing the internal conversion. actually we don't have to need to know about this file. Just this file is a brain. It shows the internal conversion of how things are converted from TypeScript to JavaScript. Okay. Now see, in TypeScript Playwright batch, you can see a file plus file sign is there. Can you see a plus file sign there? Hmm. Plus file sign is there. Can you see? Hello. Yes, are you there? Hello, are you there? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes,
What happened to this guy? See, I am
Abhinav,
sharing.
yeah, in Mac. I'm getting an issue that permission issue. I'm getting.
Yes, I know. That is the
Okay.
permission issue you will get because of shell scripting.
Okay.
Okay, it must be showing that it is blocking the due to permissions. Fine.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
As
we
you
will
said, I
be.
tried the same way. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, yes. No issues. Jayesh, are you there? Internet connectivity issue. Well, no issues. So I am sharing my screen. If you can see here, you have to click on this button. Okay, just click over here. Okay. Now just give a command. Suppose I need to create a file. I create my first dot ts. Okay. Don't go with the code. What I am doing. Go with the code. I will teach you in different classes. So I'm just creating a variable. Let message colon string is equal to hello. Okay. Hello. I am showing this. Anyone having any issues, we will discuss it separately. Because all will get the issues of that blocking things. Because many times what happens, your scripting language are stopped by your bash shell. So we have to give a command. So I will let you know, don't worry. We will discuss. Few might not get that issue. So I'm printing this message. I need to run it. So how can we run this code? Just give the command psc node, okay, and give the file name. Psc node and give the file name. So my first. So it is giving me hello. Okay, just go over here, click over here. My first.ts you have to create. Okay, just I have created let const where I will teach you. Don't worry. I'm just checking that this is working fine at your end. And after just give the command tsc my first.ts. Okay, tsc means TypeScript node. Okay, will run my first.ts. Okay, guys, please check it out at your end. If you want to share your screen, you can share your screen also. Anyone want to share his screen?